Yo guys, how's it going and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dario and today we are going to Barcelona against Valencia here at the Camp Nou. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. I'm trying to go to every match while I'm here in Barcelona, so stay tuned. It's really important that we win today because last week we lost against Almeria. We dropped 3 points. And the Thursday before that we lost against Man United in the Europa League. We did win against Madrid in the Copa. However, we still need to get back on track in La Liga. So I hope we can do that today. I'm wearing the third kit today. It got Sergio on the back. At the start I didn't really like this kit, but it has grown on me. So now it looks pretty good. The game starts in 2 hours, so let's head to the stadium. We have arrived. You can already see the stadium in the back. We have to go to port 69, I guess. It's in the third ring, so all above. It's quite a hike. I'm tired already. It's much warmer today than yesterday, so I didn't dress to the occasion, but oh, it's here already. Never mind. These are a lot of stairs, man. I've never sat in the third ring before, so let's see what it's like. Let's check out the view first time. Look at this, you guys. Came prepared for the sun. Always wear your sunglasses when you sit on this side. Passa, passa, passa. just at the very top. All the way. All the flags of the current La Liga standing. Barca's on the other half somewhere. Oh, it's there. Let's play it, baby. Red card. Welkom. Vaig quedar dormit a l'entreno, vaig quedar dormit. Em va posar... We got the 3 points in the bag, which was an absolute must. We didn't have much of our key players due to injuries and stuff, but it was super important to win this game, and we did. Also, Madrid drew yesterday against Real Betis, which now means that we're 9 points clear in the La Liga standings. So it's gonna be a very exciting month up ahead. Next up is Atletico Bilbao away from home, and then the El Clasico comes to the Camp Nou. I really hope I can get tickets to that and show you guys what it's like to visit an El Clasico in the Camp Nou. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like if you enjoyed the video. And I will see you guys later.